Before Samdesh did his Omar Abdullah famous interview, there was one guy who did an interview with him also. This guy! Kashmir was an adventure. When we shut down the camera, they were like, sir, marwa rahe ho kya humko? And he's like, listen, next time you come to Kashmir, don't do such stunts. Farooq Abdullah in house arrest. Wait, Sanjay Singh was in house arrest last time I checked. Farooq Abdullah went to meet Sanjay Singh and he couldn't meet him. That's what I read. Sanjay Singh, oh, Sanjay Singh का clip है, ये है. Oh, he's climbing the wall. Oh.
मिलने नहीं दे रहे, निकलने नहीं दे रहे, जो इनसे बंटवारा कर रहे हैं.
Oh my God.
ये हाल ये मालिक बैठे हैं रियासत में एक स्टेट की गवर्नमेंट है, आवाम की गवर्नमेंट है.
कई बार के आप मुख्यमंत्री आपको अंदर नहीं आने दे रहे, मिलने नहीं दे रहे.
लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर वो मालिक है पुलिस वालों का. ये हाल देखो, ये मुल्क को पता लगना चाहिए. एक इंसान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर बात करना चाहता है,
Wow.
तो पत्थरबाजी नहीं करना चाहता, गोलीबारी नहीं चाहता.
आप मिलने क्यों नहीं दे रहे भाई?
नहीं जा रहे.
कौन सा अपराध है?
ये हाल है.
वो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, इस राज्य के कई बार मुख्यमंत्री रह चुके हैं, मैं मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हूँ, आप मिलने क्यों नहीं दे रहे?
ये हाल
इसमें कौन सी ऐसी बात है?
हमने कौन सा यार हमला
है
करना
इसमें
है?
कौन सी ऐसी बात है?
हमने कौन सा करना है?
भाई मिलने में क्या बुराई है?
मैं खैर खैर पूछनी है, कोई मैं करनी नहीं है. आप इतना भी नहीं चाहते देखे कि मैं इसका हाल मेरा दोस्त
चेयर मंगाई है.
इतने साल. चलिए, ये आपका तो है नहीं, ये कसूर आपने गवर्नर चलिए. अच्छा संजय, खुदा हाफिज.
तो ये क्या परेशानी, मुलाकात तो करने दीजिए.
जनाब, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के ऑर्डर ऐसे हैं.
लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के ऑर्डर्स है.
हुकूमत हमारी है, मालिक वो है. ये देखिए, ये इस रियासत.
So I think he was Sanjay Singh was going to go and join a protest or something. That's what I read, and therefore he was stopped from going there. Very sad thing that Dr. Farooq Abdullah ji, who was been the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, came to meet me at government guest house upon hearing the news of my house arrest by the police, but he was not allowed to meet me. Yeah, holy shit. Seriously, man, what? Oh, sorry, this is in Kashmir. Yeah, this is in Kashmir. Yeah. Oh, by the way, just a random story. So, just to let you know, एक second, मैं वो promote भी कर लेता हूँ लगे हाथ. Did you know, before Samdesh did his Omar Abdullah famous interview, there was one guy who did an interview with him also. This guy! Wait. वो है क्या अभी भी? है रखा है IVM में रखा है, फटी नहीं है इनकी अभी तक. So look at this. I will share the link with you also. But I have a story to tell around this.
I lost a year of school when I shifted,
Okay.
but it was CBSE.
Yeah, look. So yes, look, I have proof. I have proof. I'm going to share this in case you want to see it. The theme of this was that we read the 8th standard civics book with him, one chapter, the first chapter on equality. So the thing is, what we did was, this was I think 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. I got in touch with Omar and I asked him, sir, I want to do this thing with you where I will send you one chapter and we will read it together. And he's like, हाँ, आ जाओ Kashmir. And we were like, seriously? And he's like, yeah, come to Kashmir, of course. So we went. Yeah, we just took a flight. We went, not thinking about anything. When we landed, his PA tells us, listen, just I hope you have not booked a return ticket yet, because stay here for at least 3-4 days. We don't know when we go into house arrest or not. Seriously. So they literally told us that the day we landed, he was in house arrest. So he was like, listen, what you can do is, every once in a while, subah or sham ko, just keep coming and checking whether he's under house arrest or not. I'm like, what does that even mean? So from airport, we directly went there and he was under house arrest. There was like a giant lock outside his house. I was like, what is happening? So it turns out one of his close PAs, his father had passed away and he had to go for a funeral with Farooq Abdullah. They wouldn't let them. They were just like, wahan pe incident ho jayega, so you can't go to a funeral. And they locked him in. And we reached there and we were like, dude, we came all the way and we can't even see him. We can't meet him. What do we do then? So we stayed. Next day we went again and it was there. So then we went inside. He told us to wait. It turns out, so he told us to wait and he was supposed to come back in an hour after doing something. It didn't come back for a while. He got stuck because he got held up somewhere else. Police ने barricade करके रखा था कहीं तो भी उसको. So he was just staying there for 3 hours because there was some other rumors that there was going to be a protest happening somewhere else where Omar Abdullah is on the way. He was not even nearby, but they still like, nahi jaane ka hai kahin pe. So then he came back, then he did this interview with us. Dude, I can't tell you. He just told us that, listen, I wake up in the morning and I have no idea whether I'll be in house arrest or not. They just randomly put a lock on my door and they're like, हाँ तुम तुम्हारा देख लो. We don't know when they will let us out, like 2-3 दिन बाद, whatever. So essentially any intelligence report that came to the lieutenant governor or whoever it was, they would just house arrest you. Even a minor protest, even a minor incident of something they hear, a funeral, a marriage, a birthday party, they would just band kar do, locked. You're like, dude, what is this nonsense? And fortunately, we managed to do this. It was quite terrifying also because we also found out that on the day we landed, there was some grenade explosion that had happened in a nearby market in Srinagar. And so therefore there was like a lot of lockdown and whatever situation. Yeah, it's like everybody's like, हाँ 370 हटा दिया. And we went around Kashmir trying to take videos of people, etc. because we had nothing to do. He was under house arrest. We went there. We went to like Shikara rides, everything. We went to markets. And we wanted to ask people, ki, friends, what do you think about 370 removal? What do you think? Do you like the Modi government for it? Whatever. Nobody would answer. Everybody would be like, please go away. Modi ji is amazing. 370 hata diya. Amazing. Good job, Modi ji. You are everybody's father, country ka father. Amazing, right? When we shut down the camera, they were like, sir, marwa rahe ho kya humko? Are you freaking kidding me? Do you want us dead tomorrow? Don't do this to us. And like when like 2-3 people told us, we were like, okay. I think we were like, nahi ye karna nahi chahiye tha. So we went to Omar's place next day and we were chilling with the PA and we were telling him, ki, look, this is what we did. Oh, we went to this and that, whatever. And he's like, ki, listen, next time you come to Kashmir, don't do such stunts. Because me or Omar will have to come and bail you out or something. Like, why are you doing this? Like, you are putting us in trouble. You are putting yourself in trouble. You are putting the people you are interviewing in trouble. What is this nonsense? I'm like, okay, friends, okay. Even in this interview, you will see him say this. Either Omar is like, oh my God, like, what is this? So, yeah, Kashmir was an adventure. It was quite an adventure. But Omar is such a sweetheart, by the way. Such a great guy, Omar Abdullah. Now he's chief minister also. Yes. Also, Omar, one of my crowning achievements is that when Omar was arrested, he had taken 3 books inside the prison or wherever he was. And one of them was mine, Parliamental. Yes, Omar Abdullah, he showed 3 books. He's like, oh, these 3 books kept me company while I was inside. And one of them was my book. I was like, oh my God. I mean, it's bad that he was in jail, but I'm glad that he had my book. I was like, yeah, fun things happen in life.